Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use SOS Flare in Monster Hunter World. SOS Flares let other players join your quest to help with difficult hunts or faster clears. First, you need to be in an online session where other players can join. Select the quest you want to start. Make sure that at least 2 or more players are allowed to join, and remember not to set a passcode. During a quest, open the in-game menu, head to the Quest tab, and select Fire SOS Flare. Once fired, other hunters can join your quest until all slots are filled. This is helpful in tough hunts, so players join and help you finish the quest. And that's how to use SOS Flare in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.